Hello traders, Kelly254 here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a bot that analyzes the last 10 digits and trades over 2 if the appearance of digits above 2 is 80% based on the last 10 digits of the market, of the previous 10 digits of the market. Now, before we get started, you have realized that for the last few days I've not been posting regarding creating the robots. I've been designing an automated way of maybe getting these bots after I create them, because as the traffic grows, I'm not maybe able to handle each and every DM on my WhatsApp regarding getting these bots. So for instance, in this video, if you are not able to create this bot, I always leave a link whereby you can get to download this bot. Previously, it was not a download link, it was basically my WhatsApp link whereby I could send the bot manually to your WhatsApp. But now I decided to automate this process as the traffic grows. So you can see, let me just click on this link and demonstrate how it will be working. As you can see, it has loaded to this page. Let me wait. You can see it is the bot that we have just seen on our YouTube page. So if you want the bot, then you are not able to make that bot, then automatically you have to pay. The minimum that you can pay is this amount that is priced right over here. That is the minimum that you can enter right over here, but you can enter more than that, maybe 20, whichever amount you want, but the minimum is this. And kindly comment down, is this a fair amount enough, or maybe I lower it, or maybe what's your take on that amount? And then click I want this, like that. You can see it's a Deriv bot file. So once you click I want this, can clearly see it takes you to this page right over here. Your email address will be right over here. You can key in. This will send a receipt on your email once you purchase this bot, and also a support email. That is my email address will be attached to your receipt, whereby just in case of anything, you can always contact me with your receipt via the email that will be attached on your receipt. You can pay via card or PayPal. Yeah. And then on paying, you'll be redirected to a download page whereby you will download the bot automatically. Like everything will be now automated without necessarily coming to my WhatsApp inbox. And each and every video that I'll be creating, I'll be attaching such kind of a link. And also all the bots are right over here. You can clearly see the pricings on the bots, just 10, 15, $20. Yeah, that's it. Make sure to comment on the prices if they are fair enough, or maybe I should adjust them accordingly. Let's get started. First thing first is to reset our bot, and we do not need the sell condition, so I'll delete it like that. And I change this one from up and down to digits, and then from matches and differs to over and under. Then I move forward to adding the necessary variables. That is, first thing first is to create a trade percentage digit list. The other one that I will need is over 2%. I will also need over 2 count. As you all know, the process of calculating a percentage using the Deriv bot. I'll also need a prediction like that. And let's get started. If there is any variable that I will need, I will add it as we continue. So set me zoom enough. Set our digit list to in list. I need a sub list from the last digit list. So in list, get a sub list from the last digit list, I'll need 10 digits as requested. It was about that was requested right over here. I've not highlighted. Yeah, you can see it was requested right in this comment. Last digit list, get from the end, get last, like that. Since we need a variable again that we will use to initialize to the number of digits that we want the bot to analyze, I'll just call it analyzing digits. Like that. Then set our analyzing digits to, as requested, it was 10 digits, like that. So attach analyzing digits right over there. We need a for loop. So loops for each item in our digit list. If you need a logic, compare. So if I variables is greater than maths is greater than 2, then automatically change our over 2 count by 1. You also need to initialize our over 2 count to 0 each and every time the bot is restarting, or else the loop is restarting. So over 2 count, set it to 0. You need now to calculate the percentage, so you need another variable. It is right over there, so we just need to set it direct over 2%. We need maths. You all know how to calculate our percentage right over here. It is over 2 over 2 count divided by digit list multiplied by 100 to get the over 2%. So we need over 2 count divided by our length of we need length of our digit list. The reason that I always use length is because you can adjust you can always adjust the number of digits that you want the digit list to hold, and this length, it will call off the whole list regard of maybe changing the length of the digit list. It will automatically change it right over here. So length of digit list multiplied by 100, like that. You also need text, because we need to see our over 2%. Over 2 is equals, I need to use equal sign, then over 2%. We also need a notification, notify, then silent, then text, like that. We need a logic. If we need compare, so we need to set up some few variables right over here. We need the trade percentage, which is 80. We also need prediction is 8. Sorry, it is 2. and we attach our prediction to our prediction block on our bot like that. So if over 2% is greater than our trade percentage, which is 80, you can manually just write 80 here, but I always prefer using variables, because anytime you need to change something, you do not need to open all these blocks. So just change the variable from the run once at start. Trade percentage greater than trade percentage, then break out of our loop like that. Also need loops again, repeat. We also need time, 0 seconds. We need it to repeat after 0 seconds. Maths. We also need this one to run to infinity, to run infinity times. So we need maths. Scroll down until mathematical constants, then infinity times, meaning that the bot will repeat until the conditions that you have set here are met. Is the time that the bot will break out of our loop. We need to collapse this block like that. You'll set your stake from this end, and let's run the bot and see if our file is doing as I was requested. You can see our 2% is equals 60, 70. Don't know that if we will make up to 80. You can see it is purchased, because over 2% is equals to 90. It is purchasing over 2. We can do some changes right over here. You can see at some point the percentage was 80 and it did not purchase any contract. This is the condition here is strictly greater than our trade percentage. Now let me change it to greater or equal to trade percentage, and now once the percentage is 80 or above, it will, you can see it will automatically purchase over 2. You can clearly see how everything is moving on. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content regarding creating Deriv bots. I will upload this bot file to this store, and you will be able to access it via the link that I will issue on the pinned comment on the comment section and on the description box. That's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also comment on the next bot that you wanna see me creating, and I will do a video creating the same but also make sure to comment a clear logic. For our instance, you can see what I can complain is that the last 10 digits, if 80% of those digits. So what I can say that he meant is that if it's above 80%, but what he or she wrote is above if it's 80%. So if it's above 80 and it's below 80, then it's not supposed to trade. It is supposed to trade strictly if it is 80%. And for that, if you want that, you can always adjust here to is equals. If over 2 is equals to trade percentage. So if the percentage is greater than 80, it will not purchase over 2, and if it's below 80, it will not purchase over 2. It will only purchase over 2 if the over 2 percentage is equals to 80%. Only that. If it goes above 80, it will not purchase. But if it's always good to comment what you really want. I'm not sure that that's what he wanted. I'm suspecting that he or she wanted if it's above, if it's 80 and above, then purchase over 2. Make sure to comment strictly that, because a bot follows the instruction that you have given it to follow. Yeah, that's it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and push this channel to another level. Maybe you can see if you can reach 1,000 subscribers before maybe the end of the year, and that's it.